Okay, we have got now Zpanel installed. We have to do a packages, which are for users when they buy access to our hosting. We can set how many domains they have, how many subdomains, how many email addresses, MySQL databases, how much space they have got available, and how much bandwidth per month they've got on their account. And also we have set up 2 users in our group. So let's get started. Log in as your admin and your password from beforehand, and we go to Package Manager. Went blank there for a second. Okay, we're going to pick a new package called Light. We're going to enable PHP and CGI. We have 2 domains available with 2 subdomains. You want 0 park domains, or you want to have parking, you can in the domain. Okay, inboxes, mailboxes. We give them 10. Number of forwarders are 10. These are aliases for a real address. So prevent people from spamming you. You want 0 mail listing, you want 10 FTP accounts, you want 10 SQL accounts, and we're going to give it 200 meg of space and 400 meg of bandwidth. Okay, this is just a light and demo, so it's just a quick and simple one. Okay, there's our package. Pretty simple and pretty painless. Okay, let's go add some users to our account. Oops, nah, we could just go home instead. Okay, let's go down to our Manage Clients. And let's give up myself here. And let's do the password test. And I'll pick Light from my group. Group users. And the package is Light. Oops. And I want to send an email to myself. Okay, you got like your username, password. You can pick one automatically or generate one. Your group, which is the users. You got administrator level, reseller, or user. Your package levels. Your name or their name for the contact address. Postage address if you want to put a post address in there. Phone number, and you can send them an email with the information like your username, login address, password, and so on. Once you're happy, click Save. Okay, let's go to Admin and Shadowing. Shadowing is actually a good tool. It allows you to log into a user account without leaving your administration account. Once you log in, you drop down virtually down to the whatever user access they got. If they're a reseller, you got more access. If they're just a normal user, it gets pretty light on the page. So let's add some new domains. I'm going to add 2 real domains I own: zzworld.net and .info in a minute. And you see, as I add a new domain, my graph changed from being half full to half empty. Now it's completely empty. Okay, my domains are now. Let's add the DNS. So click on the domain manager and DNS manager. Then click on the drop down menu, pick your domain you're after. Click edit. Okay, now we've got no records for it. Let's click on create records. This will make the records for the hosting. Since the ZZ well is my default one, I want to add one more record to it. List. So click CNAME, add new record, CP, and @ click save. Click on domain management. I'll go back to my DNS manager in a second. From other domain name I got, I want to just add an alias, just a wildcard, so anything at that domain will be supported. The wildcard is good for being slack on adding DNS records. And it's also quicker to update as well. Sometimes it takes ages to get the records to go down to be found. So if adding new domains or adding new subdomains or doing testing, it can be quite a quick and easy way to get around that problem. Click save again. Once that are now saved, get that window, go back to my normal window. I want to now push these things into actual live mode. So let's log back into our VPS server by SSH. And as I've got an error there, my address, but that's no big deal. PHP space -q, that's /e for the texture, ZP, panel, bin, that's daemon, push enter. Okay, you may see an error rock up on your screen here somewhere. A lot of users ask what is the problem. This here. Okay, we always see it. Line 75 hook error and line 94. Nothing to worry about. Everything will still work. Everything will run quite happily. Just a little glitch. Nothing to lose sleep over. That's quite common, and we see a lot of posts about the subject. Okay, now let's test our domains. See if they're now live or not. cp.zzworld.net, where's my control panel? And cat.zzworld.info. Just bring up, well, the control panel page. The only problem about using wildcard domains is any unfound host will bring up the control panel page, which is a little bit iffy, if you know what I mean. You don't want people come into control panel page by mistake. But I'll show you later on how to get around that problem.